On the northern end of Anna Maria Island, where quiet canals meet the open waters of the Gulf, homes like this are rarely offered. 513 Villa Rosa Way is a home that feels immediately at ease with its surroundings. Located on the quiet canals of Anna Maria Island, this waterfront residence was designed with a deep appreciation for craftsmanship, scale, and the relaxed elegance that defines life along Florida's Gulf Coast. From the moment you arrive, the architecture sets the tone. Clean coastal lines, warm materials, and thoughtful details create a sense of timelessness rather than trend. Step inside and the home unfolds into a series of beautifully connected spaces, each one designed to capture light, water, and the effortless flow between indoors and out. The great room anchors the home, where natural textures, custom millwork, and expansive openings create a gathering space that feels both refined and comfortable. Just beyond, the kitchen becomes a centerpiece of the home. Anchored by a stunning Lacanche range, this is a kitchen built for those who truly enjoy cooking, entertaining, and sharing long evenings with friends and family. Custom cabinetry, generous workspaces, and carefully selected finishes bring together beauty and function in equal measure. Throughout the residence, every space reflects an attention to detail that is increasingly rare. Handcrafted elements, carefully curated materials, and architectural balance give the home a sense of permanence. Upstairs, the experience continues with elevated perspectives across the surrounding canals and waterways. From these vantage points, the rhythm of island life becomes unmistakable. Boats moving slowly through the channels, palm trees shifting gently in the breeze, the quiet glow of sunset settling over the water. Outdoor living is just as thoughtfully designed as the interiors. Private terraces, comfortable gathering spaces, and lush tropical landscaping surround a resort-style pool that becomes the natural centerpiece for long afternoons and relaxed evenings under the Florida sky. It is here that the home truly reveals its purpose. Morning coffee beside the water, sunset swims as the sky turns shades of gold and coral, evening spent outdoors as the island settles into its peaceful nighttime rhythm. Anna Maria Island has long been known for its unhurried charm and authentic coastal character. With miles of white sand beaches, walkable village streets, and a deep connection to the water, life here moves at a pace that feels both refreshing and restorative. 513 Villa Rosa Way captures that spirit perfectly. It is a home that blends craftsmanship with comfort, elegance with ease, and architecture with the natural beauty that surrounds it. A place designed not simply to be admired, but to be lived in.